This is exactly why they're trying to ban this book. Pay attention to this very carefully. Let's open this book up and look for it. There it goes, page 112. Look at this. The Cowboy cough syrup shows the image of it, plus it gives you the ingredients that you would need to create it, plus the instructions on exactly how to make it and the dosage amount to take. This Forgotten Home Apothecary book has 250 other powerful remedies that you can create. Look at this. There's the rosemary hair, and then look at this over here. Better than you know what, right over here. This is just a few to name. It's literally set up like an apothecary, so I did link this book down below to grab you yours.